Another abandoned place, looks like. I think it's an old bird place. Some of the structures falling apart. You can see that there's a part over there. Only some of the railings are up. Kind of gotta maneuver through here to continue the path around all these fucking trees. Makes you wonder what the heck this place really used to be. There are more trees. There's the path. All the trees coming through and bushes, and you can tell that this place has been forgotten. So sad when a place like this is just falling apart. Here's another one of the platforms. That's how you stairs. Looks like this just became like a hangout for graffiti and stuff like that, like, or homeless. Like, it's the only thing living that is. You can tell here, like, the fence is still up, but like it's falling apart. I mean, I don't know what this place is. It looks like one of them old bird atriums, but there's nothing here to prove that that's actually what it was. Like, see, there's a bunch of like weeds and stuff. Like, there's some of the platform, like down there, you can see like the fence is falling. Just over like time of it falling apart. It's sad of how some places, it used to be where people would go and just like chill and enjoy themselves, pay to go like hang out and enjoy themselves at something like they like birds or, you know, things like that. It just comes to this. Like, see, if I continue walking, like, there's still like a platform right here. It comes to like a bunch of trees. Like, there's still a platform. There's still like the walking platform, but it's just like been dang near forgotten about and just falling apart. Like, see, like trees are coming up through the boards. There's like just it's been like demolished by people or so, and just like dang near completely falling apart. I have to like crawl on some stuff to like get back off like the thing that's falling apart, because it looks like there used to be like something that would go all along right here. Like, if you look closely right here, you can see like there's the board, like the platform board, with it like completely, because it's all like just been forgotten for so long. Like, if I walk over here, for example, like, you can tell it's just like completely falling apart. It's long forgotten about. And the boards are falling apart, where it looks like some have actually fallen out, where like there's just like holes throughout it. It's kind of sad to see a place like this just completely forgotten about. No one wants anything to do with anymore. Like, I can tell there's probably like a lot of like smiles here. Like, see, here's some more stuff I just have to crawl over, climb up on, and walk on pretty much. Like, kind of makes you wonder what this place really was. Like, see, there's another spot where it's just completely fell apart. But like, there's some spots over here that you can actually stand on. Like, see, I'm actually walking on it. Like, this is what I mean. Like, there's some holes throughout it that, like, the things have just busted. And like, here's some more of the railings. You can tell like another one's fell off right there. But like, it's just like such good quality, like wood. It's just like, it's like a plastic wood, but yeah, it's still like good quality. Like, you can tell someone tried to like chop like an axe or something right there. It didn't break fully. But yeah, there's like more fences over here. And yes, I'm like just walking along it, like, because it's still like in good like shape in a way, but just completely falling apart. Like, see, you know what I mean? Like, there's like parts right there completely falling apart. And then like to get to like through here, like you gotta like cut through like trees, and you can tell this once was a beautiful place, but it's just been like forgotten about by humanity. That it's just completely falling apart. Like, holes throughout the walkway sometimes, trees just in the walkway. Like, there's more holes right there. You gotta like hop over them. And then like, you can tell that like homeless people just became like, made this like a kind of like their little fort. Like, been completely forgotten about. Like, I'm like at the entrance of it now while walking through. Like, you can tell like this place has seen better days. There's like this whole nature thing, and when I'm standing here I can see like all like the beautiful grass and like just a bunch of stuff, like the trees. Makes you think like about how beautiful this place really was and stuff like that. Oh, this is the end of it. This is the entrance, and like, you can tell it used to be beautiful. Makes you wonder what the heck happened here. But yeah, this is Keith Wayman's channel. Talk to you guys later. Hit you guys with another video. Please subscribe or so, and to get like the latest videos that I do of things like this.